Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about VINCO Ventures INC. Now this stock has in fact showing its resilience instead of huge market volatility, and I have said this thing again and again in this particular or for this particular stock, and I have made couple of videos on this, and this level is very hard to crack. So this is a hard nut to crack, and we have seen this thing happening again and again and again in the last couple of months, but it's a difficult task. So it's a good thing that the stock is respecting its levels and it is not going below a specific zone. So levels are there, and if things works out, it will take time. It will definitely take time for a simple reason that market is volatile, and it's not about a 1 day or 1 week move, because it will be considered as a short covering, because the market may recover, the big stock may recover, but for the overall or the broad market to run, the market needs to get stabilized and gives the space for the overall or the broad stocks to run over a period of time, and that kind of thing is not yet visible. That is the problem. So we need to spend our time accordingly. You need to spend the time in the market. So anyways, I am not a king of timings, and I generally don't focus on timings most of the times. What I'm focusing on is trend, and if the trend is lucrative to me, I will definitely look into it. So what do we have here? Right now you have your immediate support of 1.98, but going down you have two more levels to look at. You have 1.45, which is going to be your next support, and you have $1 on the downside, which is going to be a stop loss for VINCO Ventures on the downside. So you have these three levels to look at as far as the lower end of the range. As I told you, this may take time, next couple of weeks, couple of months, nobody knows, because market is not in a mood to give big swings. In some of the stocks it is indeed visible, but not all the stocks are gaining from that. So anyways, you have these levels to look at. So on the downside, as I told you, 1.98, 1.45 and $1. And as far as the upside is concerned, let the stock started trading above 2.24. If that happens, if the stock started trading above 2.24 and sustaining above 2.24, you have 2 or 3 targets to look at, and they are nothing but your previous highs that the stock has made in the last couple of months or years. So the levels beyond 2.24 will be as follows. So the first target beyond 2.24 will be 4.34, then we have 5.41, and going forward you do have 7.73, you have a 9.7, and your big target of $12.6 on the upside. So this is how the overall trend looks like, and you can see we are somewhere on the downside. I'm not saying that it is the lowest end of the range, but it is not the middle zone as well. So we are somewhere towards the lower end of the range, and you have, or you may have, some downside which is left, but as far as the upside is concerned, it doesn't matter. It will move from here or from here. We do have a good upside that we can probably see in the upcoming months and years. And if there is a big swing, that we are not considering right now. What we are considering is normal market condition or normal market circumstances play out, and things can happen slowly and eventually. And if you get a big swing, which has indeed happened in the past, then do not procrastinate. Just take your profits out and do whatever you want to do. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.